Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Smartgaga error code 7. First, ensure your internet connection is stable and working correctly. Often, a simple network issue can trigger this error. Next, try restarting both the Smartgaga emulator and your entire computer. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh system resources, resolving many common problems quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with these basic troubleshooting steps. Moving on, outdated graphics drivers are a frequent culprit for error 7. Make sure to update them to their latest versions directly from your GPU manufacturer's website. Also, verify that your Windows operating system has all the recent updates installed. If the problem persists, a clean reinstallation of Smartgaga can often resolve deeper software conflicts, giving you a fresh and error-free start. Sometimes, compatibility issues can cause error 7. Try running Smartgaga in compatibility mode, especially if you're on a newer Windows version. Your antivirus or firewall might also be blocking the emulator. Temporarily disable your antivirus to see if that's the cause, and ensure your firewall settings allow Smartgaga full access. These steps help isolate potential conflicts with other software on your system. For more persistent issues, clearing Smartgaga's cache and data files can often help, as corrupted files might be causing the error. Also, ensure you have ample free disk space, ideally at least 5 GB, for the emulator to function smoothly. If you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, there's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description below for a link to that book, along with other helpful deals and resources. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.